Hello guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be making a volcano. And this is a science video like the other one. So this is called a volcano tube. You need the set again that I just told you about. And you're going to take the clay from the package and wrap it around this. And then and after you do that, this will look like it, but you have to keep the opening up. You need two clays, and you can only make it one time, and then you'll start painting it. So I am gonna start with red, and I'll paint around the top. You can paint your clay to make it look pretty. And I'm painting the first layer red. You don't have to do it exactly like me. Can you bring me the water? So, and then after you do one color, you have to use your water and brush it off with the paper towel. And then you're gonna get the next color. I'm doing blue next and putting it under the red and to make it look pretty. And then we'll do this. And then, after you do that color, you can do whatever colors you want though. I'll make I'm gonna do some purple. Ooh, this looks pretty. And then I'll do some dark blue. Then I'm gonna do, after I do this color, I'm gonna do pink. But you don't have to do it exactly like me. And now I'm gonna do pink. It's like a purplish pink. It looks pretty because it got into the blue kind of on here. But it still looks pretty. And there is my painted volcano. Now you take the two fizzy drops and fizzy tabs. You can't put these in your mouth. And then you drop them into the tube. And then you take slowly warm water. You take water and what's this called? Beaker. You take in a beaker. You slowly pour in warm water until it starts exploding. It's gonna explode.
Okay, stop.
Whoa. Is that cool? It's still exploding. That's so cool, guys. Still erupting. It looks like it's pink and then it's purple all together, and it's coming out so slowly. It is so pretty. Do you guys like it? It's mixing all the colors together. Then, wait until it stops doing the exploding, because it's still exploding. It's silly. Why is it slowly exploding? No. It's still exploding.
Are you recording?
This is so cool. Is it done yet? It's not even done yet. It's done. But that was so cool. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and give us thumbs up and leave us a notification below. Thanks for watching. Bye.